What's good, man? I'm out here fucking with Cigar Bubble, man. I told y'all gonna get y'all some more content. So we out here taking off his Mini Cooper sunroof, man. Whoever did it the first time, they didn't do it right. So we out here stripping all that Bondo mixed with fiberglass down. And we're gonna do it the right way, man. I'm gonna show y'all the easiest way to take that Bondo off or fiberglass. You wanna use 40 grit. I'm gonna show you how easy that shit cutting through. See how easy that shit cutting through there. I got Cigar out here with the mask on, man. Let me show y'all this bubble he got. That mug out cold, got the Ruccis on there, 26-inch Ruccis on there. I got him doing a little bit of work too, man. You know how we do. He got the 6s on there. I got the S10 out here, man. That's my other S10 I ain't show y'all. But hey, it's here. We're gonna do some work on there. This what we got going on, man. So y'all hit 40 grit to push all that Bondo back where he messed it all up, man. This is, you can see where he had welded the other roof. So I just cut all that out. He had a little patch weld right here, man. I don't know what he was smoking when he did that, but yeah, we getting rid of all that. You see I grinded all that back. I'm about to grind down these welds, them tack welds that he put on. But yeah, I pushed all that paint back with that 40 grit. But yeah, we got the other roof over there laying down, man. We're gonna get this up in here after I clean the rest of this shit up. You can see all that shit. I got grind down these little tack welds. You see how this is pink, and then it go to green. He got the Bondo mixed in with fiberglass. So that's how he was doing it. But that ain't how I'm about to do it, you feel me? So I got the let me show y'all right here. I want the Hybrid frame, grab this right here. This is what I'm using. That 40 grit. Yeah. Bro, that shit killed that. It grind all that shit down, that paint. Straight to that metal, man. You don't want to go too crazy on it though, cause it will burn through your shit. But I'm about to hit that shit with the grinder, man. I'm about to hit it with that. And hit them welds with that. And we gonna get that roof in there, man. Y'all gonna see when it's done, bro. We back out here, man, messing with Cigar Bubble, man. Yeah, we got here. We gotta put a back window in there. Back window crack. He got his body work done. Got all his body work done and all that. It is what it is. I got the S10 600 down, ready for paint. How that top turned out.